This November, nature's tiniest workers face their biggest season yet. The buzz is back. And so is the slightly unqualified human who loves them. One keeper, one colony, one mission. To mind your business. Now, after a season of silence, Mind Your Business is suiting up again. And this time, it's personal. Get ready for heart-pounding action and absolutely zero explosions. Believe the hype. Behold the madness. Beware the puns. Mind Your Business. Coming this November. Suit up. This ain't your grandma's beekeeping channel.
Kia ora, g'day. I'm back. So good to be back as well. Still haven't got any bees yet, but that's something that's going to happen soon. I'm back at the site where the hive was, and it's looking a bit messy. So I think, because spring has sprung, today is the official first day of spring for 2025. We're getting so much closer to a new season. So let's have a bit of a spruce up here and get this thing bee ready for a, hopefully, successful season 2. Remember this? Hopefully now, that's a thing of the past. Well, that's the end of the mowing for now. I've just pulled the pull cord handle off. Damn. Well, the benefit of being on a farm is that there's always a spare mower somewhere, so hopefully I could just get the job done with that one. So there we have it. Just add bees. That's a bit tidier, eh? And the reason why I've set up 2 is because this coming season I want to try and do a split and have a couple of hives going. Wish me luck. So join me for the next episode where we'll take the hive apart, because I haven't actually looked in it since the bees died last season. So we'll have a look through it and just see if it's still ready to go. Sure it is, but we'll have a quick look in the next episode anyway and make sure that we're A-OK for season 2. Catch you next time. I'm Andy G, and this is Mind Your Business.